Hey Techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So Techies, today we are going to discuss about some practical how you can set up your Java development environment. In the last tutorial, we already discussed about Java history, Java overview, also JRE, JDK and the JIT, how these are working, how these are interdependent. So if you want to be do some program in the if you want to be do some Java program in your system, then at the initial level what you can do, you have to set up Java development environment in your system. Okay, so let's start. But before moving to next step, please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about interview preparation. So let's start, guys. Okay, so the first thing is that what you can do, navigate to Google and type here download Java or JDK or a 62 64 bit, whatever. What is your operating system? How you know your system is 64 bit, your system is 32 bit? Okay, how do you know? So in that case, what you can do? So in that case, you have to just navigate to simply navigate to system properties. Okay, system properties, and see here your system is 64 bit or 32 bit. Right now my system is 64 bit. Okay, so what I can do, then I have to download JDK 64 bit. Okay, so you can click from on here or this one, both are the official website. So let me click here. Okay, so here this one is the official website. I'm already downloaded all the things, every setup already. I've already done some setup in my system about the Java development. Okay, but for you, I'm just guiding you how you can download. So if you are working with the Linux, then you have to just download from here. Okay, you can just download from here. And if you are working with a Mac, then you have to download from here. And if you are working with a window, then you have to click on this tab and download from here, and just simply click on this one, then your downloading will be start. But I'm already downloaded all the things. After downloading, just let me download it's complete. Okay, but after download, what you can do, you can just click on the next, and it will be where it will be saved by default. Which one is the default location? The default location is, guys, this one. You navigate to C drive, navigate to C drive. In the program files, see here Java, and this one is your default location after the installation. And then the next important step, what you can do, then again navigate to system properties and navigate to advanced system setting, and click on the environment variable, and then create here the path. Click on the path and then click on the edit. Okay, and then here type new, and here paste this path, copy this path. Generally we can do bin and this one. Okay, and just paste it here, just paste it here. Let me create new and paste it here, and then click on the OK. But I'm already set up all the things, then I have no need to create again path. Okay, for your knowledge only. Okay, after that, after that once your Java is installed, okay, now your Java is installed in your system. Okay, so how you can check Java is installed in your system or not? Then you have to simply navigate to the command prompt, open run command, open run prompt, and then type here cmd, and then this window will be open, and type here Java space minus version, version, Java space minus version. Now see here Java version 24, Java GMT runtime environment, Java hotspot. We already discussed all the things in the last tutorial. Okay, so I'm already installed, I'm ready with all the setup. Okay, now your Java setup is ready. Okay, after that you need some editor to write your Java program. So I'm preferring here. So here I'm preferring Eclipse. Eclipse, Eclipse download for Java, or simply you can type download Eclipse, or simply you can type download Eclipse for window or a Java, or for window, for Mac, or for Linux, whatever you have. Okay, Click on this and navigate to the official website. Okay, and then download from here. Now click here and you can see here both the version are available. Download archive or download 64-bit. Then just you can just simply click on this one, then your downloading will be start, and after that you have to just click on the next button. Nothing else, nothing you want to do, nothing you have to do. Just click on the simple next button. Okay, after that, once your Eclipse will be download, then let me delete this program, and relaunch the Eclipse. I'm already installed my system. Now your Eclipse is ready to launch. It's asking you workspace, what exactly the work mean by workspace, where your program will be kept. Okay, and then click on the launch. Okay, now it's launching. It's taking a little bit time. Now your first window will be appeared here. Okay, now how you can create a Java first program? Create on a Java project. Firstly you have to create a project, and project name is my first Java project. Okay, and then simply click on the next button. Now your Java first project is ready, and then finish. Okay, this one is your ready. Okay, now you have to create a class here, but before creating class you can create a package always. Okay, com dot my Java first package. Okay, my com dot my Java first package, this one is the name. What exactly is the mean of the package? Okay, in upcoming tutorial we will discuss about this one. All the things we will discuss in the detail for the interview question, because in the most of the time interview asked how your what is your Java programming architecture, what exactly the mean of architecture. Okay, so in the upcoming video we'll discuss about this one definitely. Okay, next click on the finish, and then click on the right click on the package, what package you have created recently, and then click on the navigate to the new, and then navigate to the class, and type here class name is my first Java class. And keep in mind guys, Java is a case sensitive language. See here, the package name I was started from the lower case letter, and the class name I am started with the upper case letter. For example, if I am typing here, then it will be thrown me a warning. Type name is discouraged. By convention, Java type name usually starts with the uppercase letter. In upcoming tutorial, we will also discuss about this one. Why this is case sensitive, and what exactly the parameter you have to follow to create a package, what parameter you have to follow to create a class. What are the naming convention? Okay. So for the timing, I'm using caps M, and then click on the finish and select also this checkbox, public static void main. This one is a main method, this one is responsible to execute your program. Okay, and then click on the finish. Okay, now your first class is ready. Okay, now type here system, okay, control space bar dot out dot print, and type here hello techies, hello techies, and let's execute. How you can execute? See here a play button, you have to just click on this button and then click on the OK. Now your program will be executed. Hello techies. Okay, now the next question, how you can add two number, how you can add two number. So to add two numbers, it's not possible. You can just simply type here 10 20 equals to, or you can write 10 plus 20 and equals to bus. Okay, it will be never be executed through the error. See here, it will be thrown the error, it's giving you the error. What exactly mean of this error? Unresolved compilation problem. So mean in the Java you have to be defined some data type. You can use data type. So how you can use int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. Okay, just give me a moment guys, just give me a moment. Okay, so here you can provide data type. Int is a data type. We have multiple type of data type like int, string, byte, boolean. Multiple data type we have. Primitive and non-primitive data type we have. In the upcoming tutorial we also discuss about this one data type. It's really play important role in the Java programming. Okay, so you have to set data type. Int means integer. You are taking a two in numeric value. Okay, so int a equals to 10, b equals to 20, a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Okay, this one. Now how you can add? For this one again take a one more variable, c equals to a plus b. This one is called variable, guys. This one is called variable. This is variable name. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about what is the variables. Okay, okay, so here, so this one is okay. So let me print this one, system dot out dot print ln. Let me type here print ln. ln, both are the different thing, guys. Print ln and print both are the different. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about this one. Okay, so for the timing I'm just typing here, let's this one, the sum of a and b are, the sum of a and b are equals to c. Now see here what exit output we are getting. The sum of a and b are equals to 30. So in that way you have to add two numbers. And if you want to be do some multiplication, then how you can do? Then you can just simply change this one here, multiplication symbol. Okay, these all are the arithmetic operator. In upcoming tutorial we also discuss about this one. What are the arithmetic operator, what are the variables, what are the data types, what is the mean of public static void main, what is the mean of system.out.println. Everything is important, every line is important for the interview perspective. If you want to know about in the detail, please like, share and subscribe this channel and stay tuned with this channel. So it's really helps you to crack the interview in first attempt, because all the content is uh, related to the interview preparation, nothing else, only for the interview preparation. It's we have just focused on the interview preparation, not in the kind of XYZ item. Okay, so in that way you can make subtraction of two number, subtraction of a and b equals, not a subtraction, it's a multiplication, guys. Multiplication, the multiplication of a and b equals to c, and what exactly we are getting in the c, 200. Okay, and if you want to be subtract, then do this thing, then subtract. Okay, so guys, this one is the all about how you can create your first program, how you can set up your Java development environment in your system. Okay, so I hope you get understanding about how you can set up Java in your Java in your system, and how you can write your first program. Okay, so that's all. See you in the next tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about interview preparation. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.